Some big news coming in. Twitter MD Manish Maheshwari files a caveat in the Supreme Court of India that he should be heard before any orders are passed in any appeal filed by the Ghaziabad police against the relief granted to him by the Karnataka High Court. Remember, UP police has summoned Twitter India head in connection with the Ghaziabad fake video case. Twitter MD Mr. Maheshwari now files a caveat in the Supreme Court of India that he should be heard before any orders are passed in any appeal filed by the Ghaziabad police against the relief granted by the Karnataka High Court. Now, Twitter MD Manish Maheshwari files this caveat right at a time when UP police there has summoned Twitter India head Mr. Maheshwari in connection with the Ghaziabad fake video case. Earlier, Twitter MD had gotten relief from the Karnataka High Court, which had said that no coercive action can be taken against Manish Maheshwari until the 29th of June. And we understand that the UP police is now wanting to appeal to the higher court, asking to quash the verdict or quash the judgment made by the Karnataka High Court. Twitter MD Manish Maheshwari now filing a caveat with this regard in the Supreme Court. He says that he should be heard before any orders are passed in any appeal filed by the Ghaziabad police against the relief granted to him by the Karnataka High Court. UP police has summoned Twitter India head in connection with the Ghaziabad fake video case where a Muslim man was assaulted. A communal color was given to it while the UP police said it was personal rivalry which ended up in assault. Now, Twitter has been implicated considering that the legal shield for Twitter has been revoked. We're looking at Twitter India MD, who's now in the spot. He's now appealed to the Supreme Court, filing a caveat saying before any orders are passed, he must be heard. And this is with regard to the Ghaziabad case, a fake news that was circulated, giving it a communal angle. Earlier, Twitter MD had approached the Karnataka High Court for some relief. In fact, Karnataka High Court had also said that no coercive action can be taken against Manish Maheshwari until the 29th of June. So he had got interim relief. Now, the UP police seem to have insisted on appealing to a higher court. Now, they want to question him with this regard. Now, Maheshwari has approached the Supreme Court, filed a caveat, asking for his word to be heard even before any orders are passed. Here's the latest update with Twitter MD now filing a caveat in the Supreme Court. Remember, Twitter has not complied with the IT norms. Twitter and the government have been at loggerheads for a while now, and Twitter's legal shield has been withdrawn. At a time like this, the MD is now pulled up for the Ghaziabad video. He's now appealed to the Supreme Court. Let me quickly cut across to Nalini Sharma, joining us live for more details. Nalini, do take us through the caveat that Maheshwari has filed at the Supreme Court, asking for his word to be heard. What more do we know?
Well, we're given to understand that this caveat that has now been filed before the Supreme Court by the MD of Twitter India essentially says that there should be no hearing that should happen without hearing his side, and there should be no order that should be passed by the Supreme Court in this entire matter without giving a chance to him to come forth and prove his point before the Supreme Court. So this is coming in after there were reports that emerged that stated that the UP police is likely to challenge the order of the Karnataka High Court that had come in that had specifically restrained the UP police from taking any coercive action against the Twitter India MD. The UP police have decided to challenge this order in the Supreme Court of India, which is why this caveat has now been filed by Manish Maheshwari himself before the Supreme Court, stating that there should be no order passed by the top court without hearing his side to the arguments in this entire matter.
Nalini, thank you very much for joining us with those details. Maheshwari now appealing to the Supreme Court in the matter.